Your business is at risk every day. Simple daily backups are no longer enough to ensure your business can keep running in the event of ransomware attacks, natural disasters, equipment failure, and human error. If disaster strikes, how will you ensure that your technology has enough flexibility, redundancy, and resilience to protect your data while remaining simple to set up, use, and recover? Introducing Datto SIRIS, the first all-in-one total data protection solution built to efficiently prevent data loss and minimize downtime. Back up and restore critical business data. Keep your business running during a disaster, locally or from the Datto cloud. Protect against ransomware threats before they impact your business. When disaster strikes your business, there is no time to waste. Waiting on outdated and unreliable technology to restore backups can significantly impact the business. With instant virtualization, your business can restore within seconds from their local device or using Datto's powerful cloud. While a complete image of your system runs through a virtual machine, regular backups continue. And if you lose the entire source machine, SIRIS also provides the option for bare metal restore into new hardware or a virtual destination. Detect ransomware threats before they happen. SIRIS monitors and targets specific patterns of ransomware within a single backup, notifies you, and helps you get back to business without paying ransom. Choosing from a family of physical, virtual, and software appliances, as well as a variety of storage options, you can craft a unique data protection solution tailored to your business. SIRIS supports a wide array of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux, and protects and restores to both physical machines and virtual environments, giving you the option to restore no matter where your business data lives. Companies can't count on unreliable, outdated backup methods that take too long to restore files and have a high risk of losing data to corruption. SIRIS uses inverse chain technology and advanced backup verification to give you 100% confidence in your backups by validating and protecting your data. With backups scheduled as often as every 5 minutes, your backup is tested, scanned for ransomware, stored locally, and replicated to Datto's globally distributed data centers. With Datto Infinite Cloud Retention, you can store your data for as long as your business requires. Datto gives you the power to protect critical data and keep your business running during a disaster, all in a single solution supported by a world-class 24/7 365 tech support crew. With SIRIS, you can rest easy, knowing your data is protected and your business can run anywhere.